Hello everyone. I'm delighted to be here with you today to talk about enhancing liver health. Have you ever wondered how you can naturally improve your liver health? Today I'm going to share with you the 6 best natural drinks for your liver health. First, let's understand why liver health is so crucial. The liver is not just an organ. It's a powerhouse responsible for filtering toxins, aiding in digestion, and regulating a variety of bodily functions. Maintaining its health is paramount for overall well-being. However, common lifestyle choices negatively impact liver health. This includes habits like excessive alcohol consumption, poor dietary choices, and lack of physical activity. These factors can lead to liver-related issues, making it essential to focus on preventive measures and healthy practices. So what natural alternatives can we adopt for a healthier liver? We'll explore 6 amazing drinks that are not just refreshing, but also packed with liver-friendly benefits. We'll delve into the science behind each drink and how they contribute to liver health. Number 1, green tea. Green tea, often hailed as a miracle drink, is a true friend to your liver. It's not just a warm, comforting beverage, it's a powerful detoxifier. Packed with substances that protect cells from damage, green tea works wonders in supporting liver health. One of the most astonishing facts about green tea is that regular consumption can significantly reduce the risk of developing liver disease. This is a game changer for anyone looking to maintain a healthy liver. The way green tea aids liver function is by reducing cell damage in the liver and supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. It's like giving your liver a helping hand in its daily task of filtering toxins from your body. Another surprising fact is that green tea can improve liver enzyme levels, which is a key indicator of liver health. This means that not only does green tea protect your liver, but it also helps it function more efficiently. Number 2, turmeric tea. Moving on to turmeric tea, this vibrant yellow drink is a powerhouse for liver health. The magic ingredient in turmeric tea is curcumin, a substance known for its protective properties. Curcumin is like a shield for your liver, guarding it against damage and inflammation. It's particularly beneficial for those with liver conditions, as it can reduce inflammation and improve liver function. One of the most jaw-dropping facts about turmeric tea is its ability to regenerate damaged liver cells. This is incredibly significant because it means turmeric tea doesn't just prevent damage. It actively helps in healing the liver. Additionally, turmeric tea can also reduce the risk of fatty liver disease, a common condition affecting many people who consume high-fat diets or lead sedentary lifestyles. Number 3, lemon water. Lemon water, often just seen as a refreshing drink, holds much more value, particularly for liver health. This seemingly simple beverage goes beyond just tantalizing your taste buds. It acts as a natural cleanser for your body, especially the liver. One of the most remarkable aspects of lemon water is its ability to ramp up the production of liver detoxification enzymes more effectively than any other food. This is a significant benefit, considering these enzymes are at the forefront of purging toxins from your body. The primary advantage of incorporating lemon water into your diet is its high vitamin C content. This essential nutrient does more than just bolster your immune system. It plays a crucial role in aiding the liver. Vitamin C helps the liver in breaking down harmful substances into forms that are more easily processed and eliminated by the body. This process is vital for maintaining a healthy liver, as it reduces the strain on this crucial organ by ensuring toxins are efficiently removed. Another often overlooked benefit of lemon water is its impact on the body's pH levels. Despite the initial acidity of lemons, once metabolized, they have an alkalizing effect on the body. This might seem counterintuitive, but it's a critical aspect of how lemon water supports overall health. By helping to balance the body's pH levels, lemon water indirectly supports liver function. A balanced pH level is conducive to optimal liver function and overall health. Moreover, lemon water is incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water can kickstart your liver's detoxification process. This simple habit can make a significant difference in your liver health over time. It's also a great way to stay hydrated, which is another key factor in maintaining a healthy liver. Number 4, beetroot juice. Beetroot juice stands out as a remarkable drink for enhancing liver health. Its vibrant deep red color is a visual cue to its rich content of betalains, substances that are vital in protecting cells from damage. These betalains are not just ordinary compounds, they are potent detoxifiers, providing substantial support to the liver's cleansing processes. The role of beetroot juice in purifying the blood and bolstering liver function cannot be overstated. It acts as a natural tonic, rejuvenating and supporting the liver in its crucial functions. One of the most astounding facts about beetroot juice is its capability to boost oxygen levels in the blood by an incredible 400%. This remarkable increase is not only advantageous for those looking to enhance their athletic performance, but also plays a significant role in liver health. Enhanced oxygen levels in the blood mean that the liver can operate more efficiently, particularly in its detoxification role. This increased efficiency is crucial in maintaining a liver that functions at its best. The nutrient profile of beetroot juice is impressively diverse and particularly beneficial for liver health. It is rich in iron, a mineral essential for the formation of healthy blood cells, and antioxidants, which play a crucial role in protecting the liver from damage. Additionally, the presence of nitrates in beetroot juice is a game changer for liver health. These nitrates aid in relaxing and widening blood vessels, which results in improved blood flow and reduced blood pressure. This reduction in blood pressure means the liver doesn't have to work as hard, reducing the risk of liver-related health issues. Another significant aspect of beetroot juice is its potential to diminish the accumulation of fat in the liver. This property is particularly beneficial for individuals grappling with fatty liver disease, a condition often associated with obesity and diabetes. By helping to reduce liver fat, beetroot juice not only supports liver health, but also contributes to the overall well-being of individuals affected by these conditions. Number 5. Dandelion tea. Dandelion tea, commonly perceived as an ordinary garden weed, is in fact a potent herbal remedy with a plethora of benefits for liver health. This modest plant, often overlooked, is a hidden gem in the world of natural health remedies. Its most striking feature is its ability to function as a natural diuretic. This means it can increase urine production, which is a key process in the body's natural way of eliminating toxins. For the liver, this is particularly beneficial as it aids in the faster and more efficient removal of harmful substances. Efficient toxin removal is not just beneficial, it's essential for maintaining a healthy liver. Dandelion tea supports these functions by providing substances that protect liver cells from damage and promote overall liver health. These substances are not just protective, they also assist in the regeneration of liver tissue. This is particularly important in cases where the liver has been damaged due to lifestyle factors or disease. Moreover, dandelion tea aids in improving the flow of bile. Bile is a fluid produced by the liver that helps in breaking down fats in the diet. By enhancing bile flow, dandelion tea ensures that the liver can efficiently process and digest fats, which is crucial for overall digestive health. Another fascinating aspect of dandelion tea is its rich history in traditional medicine. For centuries, it has been used as a remedy for various liver diseases. This long-standing use is a testament to its effectiveness and reliability as a liver aid. It's not just a modern-day health trend, it's a time-tested remedy that has been helping people for generations. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, commonly found in kitchens worldwide, is more than just a condiment or a salad dressing ingredient. It's a potent metabolic booster, offering a range of benefits for liver health that are often overlooked. One of the most remarkable aspects of apple cider vinegar is its ability to help stabilize blood sugar levels. This property is particularly beneficial for the liver, as stable blood sugar reduces the stress on this vital organ, allowing it to function more efficiently and effectively. The liver plays a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels, and by maintaining this balance, apple cider vinegar ensures that the liver doesn't have to work overtime. This is especially important for individuals with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes, as their livers are already under considerable stress due to fluctuating blood sugar levels. Moreover, apple cider vinegar's impact on liver enzymes is significant. These enzymes are essential for various metabolic processes, including the detoxification of harmful substances. By enhancing the production of these enzymes, apple cider vinegar boosts the liver's ability to cleanse the body. This detoxification is crucial for overall health, as it helps eliminate toxins that can otherwise accumulate and cause various health issues. Interestingly, despite its acidic nature, apple cider vinegar has an alkalizing effect on the body once consumed. This might seem counterintuitive, but the metabolic process of apple cider vinegar leads to the formation of alkaline byproducts. This alkalizing effect is beneficial for overall health and particularly for liver function, as it helps maintain a balanced pH level in the body. A balanced pH is crucial for various bodily functions, including detoxification processes carried out by the liver. Best practice or additional advice. Incorporating these liver-healthy drinks into your daily routine can be simple and effective. Here are some specific tips to get the most out of these beverages. 1. Timing is key. For drinks like lemon water and apple cider vinegar, the best time to consume them is in the morning on an empty stomach. This helps kickstart your liver's detoxification process for the day. Dandelion and turmeric teas can be enjoyed in the evening as they are caffeine-free and can help in the body's natural detoxification process during sleep. 2. Quantity matters. Moderation is crucial. For green tea, 2 to 3 cups a day are sufficient. Excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects. With apple cider vinegar, 1 to 2 tablespoons diluted in a glass of water once a day is enough. Overdoing it can harm your tooth enamel and stomach lining. 3. Consistency is important. Regular consumption is key to seeing benefits. Make these drinks a part of your daily routine for the best results. 4. Quality over quantity. Choose organic and high-quality ingredients. For instance, selecting organic dandelion tea or freshly squeezed lemon juice can enhance the health benefits. 5. Listen to your body. Everyone's body reacts differently. Pay attention to how your body responds and adjust quantities and types of drinks accordingly. 6. Stay hydrated. While these drinks are beneficial, they should not replace your regular water intake. Ensure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. 7. Combine with a healthy diet. These drinks work best when combined with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. 8. Consult a healthcare professional. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Try these drinks and see the difference they can make in your liver health. Experiment with these options and find what works best for you. Remember, small changes can lead to significant health improvements. Your experiences, suggestions, and discussions are invaluable. Please share your journey in the comments below. Let's build a community where we can learn from each other and grow together in our pursuit of better health. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Stay tuned for more health tips and insights. See you in the next video.